News, my lovely, wonderful people. See what is going on right now. U.S. court has set aside August the 23rd deadline for Tinubu to justify why Chicago University should not release his academic record to Atiku Abubakar, considering as a matter of a nation. So Alhaji Atiku Abubakar released, sent a request to the Chicago State University saying, "Oh, please, I will like to have the record of Ashiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, just to clarify, because it's the president of our country and there are discrepancies, we are unsure of his academic record. We believe that there is something different, and that's what we want to clarify. So we want you to release it for the clarification. If he really has the result, then so be it. Fate have it, he will be the president. Let him rule until his time is expired. Then we wait for the second election, which is in 2027. But if he's not qualified, there is no reason why he should deceitfully sit in a place that he's not meant to be. This is the clarification we want to make. So they went ahead, they got lawyers, and they filled in things appropriately and adequately as they should. Yes? And after doing that, guess what? Before you could say Jack Robinson, as soon as Tinubu got to know of it, he sent a message immediately countering it, asking the Chicago State University not to release its academic record. And as we speak, because the matter is on, the battle is fierce, the Chicago State University has now taken the matter to court, and they've given a verdict for the 23rd of August for Tinubu to tell them why his results should not be released to either to Atiku or any other person. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless. The U.S. court has set aside August the 23rd deadline for Tinubu to justify why Chicago University records should not be released to Atiku Abubakar. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has until August the 23rd to present persuasive argument as to why Chicago State University should not be ordered to release his academic record to Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, his rival, in the February 23rd, 2023 presidential election. Nigeria's presidential election took place. According to the court, this issue has continued to cause a real serious contention. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar has sent a message, and since the message has been declined because Tinubu has said it should not be released. The deadline was imposed on August the 9th by the Jeffrey Gilbert, the new magistrate judge assigned to the case at the United States District Court for the Northern District of Illinois in Chicago. Mr. Abubakar earlier this month requested court approval to have a look into Tinubu's file with CSU because he believed the documents would clarify inconsistencies in Tinubu's background, including publicly avoidable discrepancies, and suggested that the CSU in the 1970s admitted a female student bearing the name Bola Tinubu, who was born on March the 29th, 1954, as against Tinubu's claim. The Nigerian president said he was born on March 29, 1952, although he had also a different time listed 1954 at his birth year in the past. He also recently expunged his primary and secondary education record after he discovered that the school he listed under oath in the 1999 run for Lagos governorship did not exist anywhere in Nigeria. Mr. Abubakar believes the requested record will show which earlier and high school papers Tinubu submitted to the CSU before he was admitted as a student to studying accounting in the university. Shortly after Mr. Abubakar approached the court for the record, Tinubu promptly filed a motion to thwart the record from being granted, citing U.S. privacy law for students as a reason. However, the court has given an ultimatum for him to give reasons why this record should not be released. In case you are not aware, it's not just Alhaji Atiku Abubakar who is in court with Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Another young man called Peter Obi is also in court. He's the Labour Party presidential candidate. And as you heard, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar sent a message to Chicago University and said, I'm not just taking it because I want to look at his record. For crying out loud, this man has positioned himself to be Nigeria's president and has released himself to be of public interest. And so there should be no problem to look into his record. And he went in history to say this is the reason. Back in 1999, Tinubu became Nigeria's governor of one of the states. And the record he presented to the record he's presenting now, there is so much discrepancies. We just want to clarify so that, we don't abuse a man falsely, so long as information has been clear and made known to every single person. The matter is in court back in Nigeria. He's already the president, he's been sworn in, but we just want clarification on this matter. Before you could say Jack Robinson, drink water, put cup for ground, Tinubu does send motion quickly, say make Chicago University not release the results. The reason when he give is say student privacy. But this matter you are saying privacy on is of national importance. For instance, you are not just Nigeria's president, as the case may be now. You are also ECOWAS chairman. So a lot of things hang on this very matter that we are doing dilly-dally and jungle dancing with. So when the Chicago University considered the request, they had to take it to court. So at the end of the day, no go OPC for grant say they allow one person do this or do that to you. So the court now, I don't give reason, say go check this matter. The court don't give reason, go check this matter. Okay, can't give us reason why we should not release the results, because this is your results, so you're not supposed to be of we know say like your private property, but excuse me, what are we hiding? If you are really a bona fide student, I went to school, these are my classmates, these are the people. Even if you are 100 years, maybe one of your classmates is still, or there is something, even the school itself can still produce a record or something must still but Tinubu, it just be like, when you get ghost, the ghost not get beginning or end, he not get where it come. Say now so the matter just be. So this is what is happening right now. Every single person now don't they ask, and there is a lot of fear on the part of APC. Leave us a comment. God bless. Bye for now.